Hello everyone, welcome to Travel for You. Today we are looking at getting the seaside experience in the London capital. So let's just dive right in. You need not venture outside London this summer to feel the sand at your feet. We have selected several sandy places in London to accomplish that seaside feeling without the long distance travel outside the capital. First on our list is the Neverland Fulham Beach Club. You can accomplish the seaside feeling experience at that club all year round. Reason why is because it's open all year round. You can expect your enjoyment at the club to include using a beach pod that has river views. You can also expect the experience to include using beach huts to just simply relax and keep your valuables safe simultaneously. Or you can just simply lounge on the daybeds whilst basking in the sun. To extend your enjoyment further at the club, there are live DJ sets. There are also endless brunches to completely fill your belly. Make sure that your stomach is completely happy as well. There is also a live drag bingo, if bingo is your thing. Although the club is open to all age members, however, after 5 o'clock, the club is only available for the over 18, so the fun really need not end for those beyond that particular age. Yes, anybody younger will be required to leave after 5 o'clock. Whichever way you use to relax and enjoy the seaside there at the club, you will simply love your visit to the club. In relation to pets, only well-behaved dogs are welcomed at the club. For more information with regards to attending to the club itself, you can visit netherlandlondon.com. Now, to actually get there, you can easily get to the club via the overground rail service to Imperial Wharf Station. Imperial Wharf spelt as Whiskey, Hotel, Alpha, Romeo, Foxtrot. Alternatively, you can get to the club via the District Line to Parsons Green Underground Station. Parsons, spelt as Papa, Alpha, Romeo, Sierra, Oscar, November, Sierra. Parsons Green Underground Station. Do have fun. Next on the list is Walthamstow-on-Sea at Big Penny Social. That venue is in the stylish part of East London. The venue is open from Fridays to Sundays and it remains open until September. The experience you will get at the Walthamstow-on-Sea at Big Penny Social is that of a classic seaside resort in UK with private deck chairs, sand pits and a bar. You can easily enjoy the vintage vibes, sip on a nice cold drink and tuck into some rather delicious fish and chips. If you do fancy splashing out a bit, you can pay £5 to hire one of the unique to London beach huts that actually fits up to 4 people. You will need to book in advance for those huts as they do tend to book rather quickly. Now, to actually get to Walthamstow-on-Sea at Big Penny Social is via the Victoria Line to Black Horse Road Station. There are bus service to that area, and I would suggest that you go to tfl.gov.uk to find the relevant bus that reaches that area, depending on where you're travelling from, in London of course. Next on the list is the Royal Docks Summer Splash, which is open now until the 30th of August. Your enjoyment at the club includes a dip in the rather large Lido, which is perfect for all ages, Although children under the age of 8 need to be accompanied by an adult in the water, there is a shallow end for young children to enter or exit the pool in a rather safe manner. The Lido area is open daily from 11 o'clock until 5 o'clock. The last entry to the Lido area is 4:30. The enjoyment at the Royal Docks Summer Splash will include relaxing in a deck chair, basking in the sun and the stunning city surroundings, enjoying a drink or two, getting involved in family activities such as arts and crafts, storytelling, and pop-up performances for adults and children. There is no need to book in advance, it is completely free. It takes place from Tuesdays to Saturdays. You can very much expect a rather packed programme for the families. It will absolutely be a day filled with fun at the Royal Docks Summer Splash. Now, for details with regards to getting there, again, I would suggest going to tfl.gov.uk. I'll repeat that, tfl.gov.uk. The nearest station would be the Royal Victoria on the DLR, or you can simply use the IFS Cloud cable car from Greenwich to actually get to the Royal Dock Summer Splash. Now, next on the list is JW3 Beach in Hampstead. JW3 Beach is open until September the 1st. This free urban beach has plenty of sand for the entire family's seaside feel enjoyment. JW3 also features deck chairs, a paddling pool, and children's activities for a true seaside feel. This year, the beach will also include pop-up foods and screened sports events during the Olympics, so as to keep adults up to date with sporting events taking place now. You can obtain further information from the website of jw3.org.uk/beach. Getting there, you've got Finchley Road, which is a Jubilee and Metropolitan Lines station. So that's it, everyone. So as you can see, we have some amazing spots in London to enjoy this summer without having to leave the city. Do remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome city guides. Thank you for watching. See you next time.